No, sweetie, I'm taking a video. I wish I could send this to California right now. It is pouring. It's been pouring for the last probably 40 minutes. It's like, oh my goodness. It hasn't rained like this in about a week. You think it's been almost 1 hour raining like this? Oh my God. So yeah, I'm here at my favorite Olala right there. Street 136. Oh yeah, and I'm trapped with beautiful girls, so should I? Yeah. Anyway, and there's not a watt. Anyway, yeah, we're trapped. So yeah, I wish I could, wow, send this to California. They really need it. So yeah, wow, I'm not going anywhere for a little while. What do you think, Narawat? What do you think? There she goes, she's walking away. Wow. Can you hear that? Can you see? Look at the river. It's just all kind of clouded in. And it's warm. It's probably still about 75. But it is just coming down. Oh, they're moving the umbrella. There they go. Helping this gentleman with his computer. Yeah.